Hello everyone, it's Iveoma, your guide to Africa, and today this video is literally just a thank you. Thank you guys for us reaching 10K. We reached 10K. Are you serious? We reached 10K. We reached 10K. 10K. What? Are we serious? Our community has reached over 10K, almost 1 million views just on YouTube alone. Literally, I'm just giving y'all clips. So now we're driving to the mechanics. Wow, this place is bad.
Yeah, the road.
I've never gone this way.
Hello?
Yeah, this road looks a little bit better. Woo!
This nana. Me that thing where I go feel late nana. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place nana. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late nana. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low.
Are you going to come back here?
No,
If you want to go, you follow the no.
I would go back to the road I came and then
yes.
come back here.
Because of this one.
I will go back to the road I came. I can't.
That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow.
So the reason that I didn't drive to the mechanic's place myself is because I don't know this road. I would be driving up and down. Oh no, there's street signs, but I wouldn't remember.
Your dad know this street.
I know, my dad knows.
The other day carry me there. I say, you know here. I say, now you be the area for this place. Yes, you know everywhere.
No, it's true. My dad knows everywhere.
I was surprised.
My dad will drive somewhere one time and he'll remember. I'm not like that. I can't. So you're right. There's street signs. Look at me. Right here. Oh, okay. I remember.
Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Big you bad man point instrumental. Give me your one time. It's okay. Bad man till they take you there. Pull up. Bad man feel gone away. It's alright. It's okay. Bad man feel take you there. Pull up.
Is that another car you're working on, the white car?
I don't do that one, please. But okay. Don't they live here?
Okay. So yeah, I need a whole oil service, and then they're gonna check the battery. But yeah, he does a lot of cars. Like he's fixed that one. So on to this one. You're making it tighter?
Yes.
So it was weak. Oh!
You shaking before now.
Oh,
Look at
okay.
this one. Look at it here.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
shaking.
okay, okay. I see it.
Yes.
Oh, I was wondering because when I turned on my car, I'm like, no, the battery must be good.
Yes.
It's not possible. So what is your name?
Chidera.
Chidera.
Yeah.
You worked on my car last time too.
Yes.
And then, okay, yeah. Okay, I didn't think I knew your name. Okay, thank you. Look at you.
See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Hey, mommy.
Came from the mechanic's place, which is the other side of this food store. Look, what is that? That's a gas tank in a community. Can you imagine? That's what I'm saying. Craziness. So this oil was really bad. Okay.
See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Hey, mommy, you bring it down. The way you move the body, girl, you shut it down. Where you from? Yeah, cause I see you around town and I'm a boss, man. So you know how it goes down. Me, I be checking me. So I did run the town. I'm on my king shit. So I hold the crown. I did rap, I did sing, I did bust flows. I did drive around town and I did do shows. Take it down for me. Take it down for me. The way you move your sexy body, take it down for me. The way you rockin' out the show, take it down for me. Take it down for me. Take it down for me. Call me Dragon Boy, cause I spit fire. All your best MCs are make them real tired.
Yeah, I see. Bush, bush, bush. But the roads are nice. Why? Why? Why are the roads so nice here in the bush, bush, bush?
They have money to do house. They don't have money to do road.
Wow.
Cause I see you around town and I'm a boss, man. So you know how it goes down. Me, I be checking me. So I did run the town. I'm on my king shit. So I hold the crown. I did rap, I did sing, I did bust flows. I did drive around town and I did do shows. Take it down for me. Take it down for me. The way you move your sexy body, take it down for me. The way you rockin' out the show, take it down for me. Take it down for me. Take it down for me. Call me Dragon Boy, cause I spit fire. All your best MCs are make them real tired. Body smoke.
So I'm getting my car wheels filled with air. Lost. And this is why I don't like being lost here, is because then I turn into places like this. I'm not going down that road. Like, I don't see any hope there. So let me see, like, if I can get out. I just need to get out to the main road.
Turn right.
And Google is telling me to do all this stuff, and I hate driving in back. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate driving in backwoods. So we're gonna see if it's right, because Google has been telling me wrong things.
Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen, oh. Make you move that thing, bring it up. Make you move that thing, bring it down, oh.